This movie is about the research functionality in Excel. We're going to take a look at the research task pane that has reference resources like the Encarta Dictionary, English Assistance, some thesauruses, and translation functionality to get you from one language to another language. There's also research functionality that can take you to all three or one of the search engines, Bing, FactivaWorks, or HiBeam. So we're going to get to the research task pane, and the way I'm going to do it is to use the keyboard accelerators, press Alt-R for review, and R for research. It's in the proofing group. And we get the research task pane. The cursor is blinking in a field that allows us to type some content to build our search off of. I'm going to just put the word whale in there. The default is to go to the Bing search engine, but if you left-click this drop-down, there's a lot of other options that we have, beginning with choosing all of the reference books, and we get some results, which I'll break down by choosing each one of these references individually. The Encarta Dictionary, which, as you would guess, would get you a dictionary reference showing, among other things, the part of speech. In this case, it's a noun, the phonetic pronunciation, a definition or two, the alternative uses of the word, where it becomes the different parts of speech, and so on. It's a standard dictionary reference. Dropping down again, we have the second choice, English Assistance, which gives you, again, the phonetic pronunciation, as well as some larger context to the word, synonyms. This can help somebody, obviously. I guess it's built for somebody that is learning English, and that includes a lot of us that actually speak English. Left-clicking again, we have three thesauruses, which will be the content of the next movie, and we have the option to translate from one language into another language. Left-clicking to drop down again, we have research sites. We can search all of the sites at the same time. Bing will show up first. Bing is Microsoft's search engine. There's FactivaWorks, which is a search engine that aggregates content, both licensed and free, from about 28,500 sources in 25 different languages from 200 countries. And lastly, there's HiBeam Research. It's a paid search engine that provides access to the content of over 6,500 publications. So that's the research task pane. We have access to a dictionary. We have some functionality, the English Assistance, to provide some greater context of the word. We have a list of three thesauruses, and we have access to translate from one language into another. At the bottom, we have some research sites that are available. Bing, that's Microsoft's search engine, FactivaWorks, and HiBeam, which are search engines that provide some other context-relevant results.